Hey YouTube, what's up? Muhammad Badruddin here, and we are covering server-side vulnerability topic. The module name is Information Disclosure, and this is gonna be the lab number 3 today. And as I mentioned before, that the damage this vulnerability could have, it depends on the level of information a web application exposed to the outside world. So that's been said, without wasting time, a disclaimer as always for you: this video and its contents are only for educational purpose and I do not support any unethical or illegal act. That's been said, let's jump to the lab number 3. So it's always good to have backups, but backup in plain text, ooh, that's gonna make real problem, because if anyone get that source code or your configuration files where you have the database strings code to connect your application to the database, or any kind of credential, if anyone have that, could make a serious damage to your organization and to your network. This lab is all about that backups contains the source code. So source code disclosure via backup files. Fine, come here. Lab number 3, source code disclosure via backup files. This lab leaks its source code via backup file in a hidden directory. Very well. The developer have the backup file and the developer make the backup for the source code and put it in a hidden directory. But all those hidden directory may be sometimes exposed by the hackers or threat actors. So to solve the lab, identify and submit the database password, which is hard coded in the leaked source code. Fine. So we need to first find out the hidden directories in this application, and then we need to find out the backup file. In that backup file, we need to find out the source code, and from the source code, we need to find out the database password. So let's go. The first task is directory enumeration. So I'm again using GoBuster tool. GoBuster directory enumeration. Don't show the progress space -w for the word list, and word list I'm going to use same as before, same as previous lab, /user share word list, and GoBuster, then directory list 2.3 medium. Fine. And the URL is gonna be -u, and this is gonna be the URL. So copy this URL and paste it here, because this URL contains the HTTPS SSL connection. So I don't wanna see the warnings, so disabling that with -k switch, and then number of threads, let's say 80 threads, and hit enter. Let's see what we get. So as you can see, the first directory is product directory, and then a lot of errors, because maybe I'm using more threads and more errors. So I'm going to Control C, clear it again, and this time let's say 60. Control C, clear, let's say 40, hit enter, and hope for the best. Maybe we will not get the error this time. So product we already get. So if we go there and if we say /product, hit enter, and we will get missing parameter product ID. So if I go to any product, you can see we are going to the product directory, then there is a parameter and its value. And here in the GoBuster, as you can see, we got one directory named as product, and there is one more directory which is /filter. Interesting. So but to solve the lab, we need to find out the backup, and we already find out that. We will see filter later, but let's come here, backup, hit enter, and inside backup we got one backup file and the extension of this file is .bak, means backup. Let's open this file, and as you can see, this is the source code. And here, as you can see, this line, this is SQL query, and if you see this part, so this is the database connection string. The database is used here is PostgreSQL. Port number is 5432, and the username is also Postgres. Database name is also Postgres, and this is gonna be the password for the database, right? So I'm going to copy this, come here, paste that, and come back here, go back, submit solution, and paste it here, click OK, and we solve the lab. Okay, we solved the lab, but I want to see what's inside this filter directory, because that also seems hidden. So come here, paste here, filter, hit enter, and what is it? Is there any changes? Wait, I think there is a change. Hit enter. Yeah, there is a change. So this time, as you can see, pricing coming here after the stars, but once I say filter, so as you can see, prices coming here, and there is a rectangular box over the stars. Fine. So there are some changes, and you can go further, enumerate and test this directory. But for this lab, it's done. So see you in the next video. And if you like the content, please like, subscribe, and share. If you have any query, please your query in the comment section. See you in the next video. Bye.